you just scam me? Hello, internet. Hello, YouTube. Hello, you. How are you doing? It's been so long. Actually, it hasn't been. It's been like a day. If you've read the title, Netflix is doing another collab. Are you serious right now? Is Netflix looking to take over the beauty community? Are they infiltrating us? I don't know. But think about it. They did Netflix and NYX. And now they're doing Netflix and Sephora with all these other brands. I'm like, what? But you know what? I'm here for it. Netflix has a movie that came out about 2 years ago. It's called To All the Boys I've Loved Before. And now they're coming out with a part 2. If you haven't watched the first movie, you should. It's a high school rom-com. It's super cute. But part 2 is called To All the Boys I've Loved Before. P.S. I Still Love You. And they came out with all these sets and I'm all about it. There are a few that I did get and a few that I didn't get. I'll open up a few that I did get and talk about the ones I didn't, right? But before we move too fast, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more of me. Yeah. I'm all about box sets. That's why I love beauty boxes, because you get so much more included. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Netflix and Amika collab. It's called a Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush. And you also get an Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo with it. The set itself is $35 and it has a value of $45. So if you're all about it, go get it. It wasn't for me, so I just said pass. Alright, so the next thing that they had was the Netflix and Kitsch set. And Kitsch is all about hair accessories. They do scrunchies, they do hair ties, they do like hairpins, the whole thing. They had Laura Jean's favorite scrunchie. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. It's part of the movie. I saw it and I was like, oh, it's her favorite scrunchie. I wanted it so bad. But I don't wear scrunchies and I know it would just be an absolute waste. So I just had to say pass. So if you want it, you do end up getting Laura Jean's favorite bow scrunchie. You get a satin bow clip and then rhinestone bobby pins. And this costs $25. I just couldn't justify it for something. I don't wear scrunchies. $25 to me is a little bit much, so I just said pass. And then they also had another set of scrunchies. These ones are $12 each for a set of 2, and I'll put it right here and gone because I wasn't into the hair accessories. But if you want it, definitely go get it. All right, so now let's talk about the ones that I did get. So this is a limited edition kit, Netflix, Sephora, and Glow Recipe. This is a cute little bag that it comes included. It's adorable, even has its own little handle. And this one's $39. Ooh, it even has a little, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And it says you can use this as a primer, so I am super psyched. This is 2.53 ounces. This is the normal size, which normally runs $28, and the kit is $39. So actually, that sounds like a good deal. So I'm just gonna use this as a primer and we can see how it goes. And it should be a mist. Oh wow. That is definitely watermelon scented. I think I got too close to my nose. Oh my goodness. Why do I keep doing this to myself? It is very refreshing, not lightly scented. You can smell it. It disappears pretty quickly and the mist is really great. I'm a fan of this. That smells really good. Ooh, you also get a little card. Oh, this is so cute. You can write a little note to Glow Recipe showing them how much you loved their products, and that's included, which I think is freaking adorable. And at the bottom of the bag, it gives you instructions, ingredients, and what else is included in the set. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Looks so freaking cute. That's what it looks like on the inside. Smells really good. Watermelon scented again. So if you're a fan of the watermelon scent, you should be all about this. If you're not, stay away. Stay away because it smells like watermelon. Regular size of this runs $45 and that's for 2.7 ounces. And this is 0.85 ounces. So this size, I would probably say it's about 14 and change. But we'll save this for later on in the video. And that is such cute packaging. I am all about this. Very fun Valentine's Day gift if you wanted, or just get it for yourself like I did. Next thing I have included is Netflix, Sephora, and Kaja collab. I'm assuming it's pronounced Kaja. This one I'm super excited for. I was all about this one. It's $35 and it includes 3 items. A heart melter, a cheek stamp, which I really want to try that cheek stamp. Hopefully it works for me. And moon crystal. This is the Kaja Moon Crystal Sparkling Eye Pigment. It's in the shade Rose Quartz. There are actually 8 different shades and they all have a shimmer finish. This little thing is $16. I don't know if I would spend that kind of money. I guess we'll see if it's actually worth it in 2 seconds after I put this on. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna smudge it out a little bit. Oh wow, that looks really cool. So there it is. Beautiful pink shimmery finish. Oh my goodness, that is really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Might just changed my mind about that $16. I'd be like, whoa dude, that is really freaking pretty. And apparently it's a jelly eyeshadow which is enhanced with real crystal powders for a vivid shimmering finish. Yeah, it is gorgeous. Yeah, definitely makes me re-examine that $16 because I'm really tempted to buy other colors, but I'm really happy that I got this one. And that is how the eyeshadow looks. Really did not think this would be as pigmented as it is. Like, it is very, very bright. Yeah, I'm super tempted to buy some more shades of this, even though I definitely do not need any more makeup. So this is what the Rose Quartz looks like. Next thing they have included, and I saw this ages and ages and ages ago, I just always wanted to try it. Kaja. It's a cheek stamp. There it is. How cute is that? There's the stamp. Pops out of this section. And I think on the bottom should be the blush. Remove film before using. And that's basically what you would stamp it in. So this actually comes in 7 different shades, and this is shade number 1 in Koi. Apparently it's a dusty rose. Oh, to go with like the rose theme, because I would have preferred a little peachier color. I don't know why everyone thinks pink looks good on everybody. It does not, okay? It does not. So that's what it looks like once you have it stamped. Oh, it's so cute. And you're basically just supposed to tap it out to blend. I don't think you can see anything, can you? Barely noticeable. Do a little bit more on this side. It just blends in with my foundation. No! What the? Well, that's okay. I don't wear blush anyway. So it's not that bad, and it's more just the literally more the novelty of it than anything else. Am I just supposed to put this back? You don't clean it or nothing? Oh, that doesn't seem right. Yeah, just basically. Oh, that sucks. Doesn't make me happy. You can't see it. That kind of sucks. I was so excited for that. Meh. Actually, like barely, like little pinch sort of shows up, barely. Nothing noticeable, sadly. That's okay. We got backups. We got backups. This is actually $24. Next, we have a, what is this? A heart melter and moisture melt lip gloss stick. Ooh. And this actually comes in 9 different shades. And the shade that comes included in the kit is number 8, So Fine. And I'm assuming it's going to be kind of pinkish. Ooh, So Fine is a blushing cinnamon. Cinnamon sounds good. I love that it's like a little heart shape. Like, how cute is that? Oh my god, that is adorbs. Adorbs. Just, do I twist it or push it? Oh, it's simply click to release the bullet and apply onto lips. The lip gloss does not retract. So you gotta click it a few times. So that is Blushing Cinnamon. I actually really like that color. I love that they picked these shades. Like, this actually works for me as opposed to like bright startling pink that I'm like, whoa, no. So this is really good. So I'm just gonna put this on. Is this supposed to be a gloss? This doesn't feel glossy to me. It says it's a lip gloss stick. I love the shade. Definitely matches the moon crystal. I'm all about this. Ooh, and this runs $17. So all in all, you got, yeah, it's valued at $57 and you get it for $35. So that's a really good deal. I am very, very blessed. Very blessed indeed. So that made me happy. Even though the cheek thing didn't work. Freaking, although the stamp worked. I'm just gonna have to figure that one out. They also did a collab with Milk Makeup. Now this one got me a little upset. I'll show you the picture first. This is the picture that you see. Look how small this is. I was like, hello? Look at my face. Hello? Why is this so small? Like, this ain't okay. I was just like, This was $26 though, so it was the cheaper of everything else, but I was still a little upset. Juicy, shimmering lip and cheek tint for a sheer, hydrating wash of color. I love how big this box is, which it's not that big. And then look in there. Like, they had to put cardboard in there because of how small it is. So they made the packaging look bigger. Yeah, Milk, you just not very happy. Not very happy at all. Thank you very much. You could have sprung for a little extra. It's okay. So this is the this is Halo. Doesn't smell like anything good. Doesn't smell bad. Almost smells like a candle. Like an unscented candle is what I would compare it to. Well, that is a wash of color. That's what that looks like. And this is buildable, so you can just keep going. So that is Halo. And the other one, I think this would be better for me. This is Glimmer. And again, this is how small it is. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not trying to, I'm not putting it back here so you see how tiny. It's right here. This is my mouth. And just twist that up so I could take off the seal on top. Ooh, that one's a lot lighter. So this is a mauve shimmer, and the other one was a bright pink shimmer. All right, so I'm gonna use this as a blush. Does this not show up either? Meh. Buildable my ass, it just doesn't show up. You know, Kaja had it all going on, and Milk is just failing me here. Oh, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing it. Ooh, okay. Can you see it? If you can't see it, I can't help you. Leave me alone. This is too much. It says it's 0.18 ounces for one of these. Their standard size is 1 ounce. So this is really tiny. Really, really tiny, like 20% of like a full size. I'm gonna try the glow right on the center. Give it a nice little sheen, hopefully. You could definitely see the difference. I think it just made it like a little bit more sparkly. Okay, so it's time for bed. Doesn't look like it, I know, but it's time for bed. Girl, I am tired. So let's just get this off my face and see what else we can play with on this video. I'll be right back. I washed off my makeup, jumped back into the glow recipe for that sleeping mask, because that looked really, really fun. This is what it looks like. This is a weird consistency. It's like a gel. All right, let's just put this on. I mentioned that it does have a watermelon scent to it for sure, but once you apply it, it's not noticeable. It literally just goes away as you're applying it. It's more like on your fingers, and there's a faint scent on my fingers. It's not even obnoxious or anything. Next thing I got, the collab between, I know, Netflix was doing the most this time. Collab between Netflix and Laneige. I'm assuming that's pronounced it. I'm not really positive. And these are lip sleeping masks. which I'm a fan of. Every time I'm in videos, I'm always talking about how dry my lips are, so I'm investing in lip sleeping masks to hydrate while I'm sleeping. I'm just gonna take this little piece off so I can show you the whole bag. This bag is super cute. So that is the front with the little sleeping masks included. And look at the back, like how freaking cute is that? And this runs $24. And you do get 2 sleeping masks included. This one would be mint choco, and this is sweet candy. I don't know if I'm gonna care for sweet candy that much. Sounds gross, actually. In regular candy, I'm sure it would be great, but in any kind of makeup or skincare product, usually it's like overly sweetened, and I just don't think it's gonna be good. But let's open up the mint choco. There it is. It looks almost like a lip balm, but it does smell like mint chocolate. You know those little Anders squares that they give you after dinner? That's exactly what it smells like. Really nice smell. Big fan. I'm actually just gonna do my bottom lip with this one because I really want to try the sweet candy, even though I think it's gonna be gross. My lips are dry. This goes on so thick, or maybe I used a lot. I don't know. Oh man, I look like the dead. Like this looks like a Walking Dead episode all of a sudden. The mint choco doesn't taste like anything. I thought it might have like a flavor to it, but it really doesn't. And this is the sweet candy. That's the inside of it. Same consistency, same texture. Everything's the same other than the color. It smells really good. Very, very light candy scent. So let's do this on the top lip. Also doesn't have a taste to it. So the normal size of the Laneige sleeping masks run 0.7 ounces for $20. This is 0.28 ounces, so it's less than half. So that's a really good deal. Wait, if it's less than half, why am I paying $24 for the 2? What? What? Did you just scam me, Sephora and Laneige and Netflix? They also have regular sleeping masks, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the lip because it feels like I just got scammed. It really does. You're charging $24 for 2, so that's $12 a piece. So by my math, each of these should actually be $8, not $12. I mean, I realize that we did get exclusive sizes, and I'm pretty sure these are also exclusive scents. So that's probably what you're paying for, but it does feel like you kind of got scammed. So that's it. That's the video. That's everything that I had from Sephora. Have a good one. Bye.